Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be talking about conditional statements. We're going to talk about what is a condition, how do we check if a condition is met, basic if statements, and basic else statements. As you can see, I've already put up name equals input what is your name, and age equals int input what is your age. I want to ask you first, what kind of data type are we looking for in line 6? And what kind of data type are we looking for in line 8? Think about that for 5 seconds. If you guessed line 6, we're looking for a string, and line 8, we're looking for an integer, you would be correct. So we're going to go to what is a condition. A condition is something that needs to be met. This could be like if name was equal to Mike, or if age was greater than 5, these would both be conditions that would have to be met. What we're going to do is we're going to write a statement, an if statement, to see if name is equal to Mike. Let's see how we could do that. The first thing you do is type in lowercase if, then name, like the variable name we made in line 6. We want to check to see if that's equal to Mike, if the person that typed that in typed in Mike. The way you can do that is use two equal signs right next to each other. This checks to see if the name is equal to Mike. We're going to use quotes because it's a string, and we're going to use the word Mike. Now, you might see a problem where they might type in an uppercase Mike, so all I would have to do is check something else to see if name is equal to uppercase Mike. What this does is it will perform what's going to be inside of this if statement if the user types in Mike lowercase or Mike with a capital M. Either one would work. When you finish an if statement, like in line 7, you always need to end it with a colon. When you hit enter from there, this is the code that will happen only if the user typed in lowercase Mike or uppercase Mike. And what I'm going to do is type in print, so it's going to print out something. We're going to print hello Mike. So this will only happen if they type in Mike or Mike with an uppercase M. Let's try that out, see if that works. This says that EOF, multi-line statement on line -1. Let's check that out, what the issue could be. So it says that there's an issue if name is equal to or name is equal to Mike, name is equal to input, what is your name, age is input. Oh, I forgot a parenthesis. See, learn about bugs every day. So let's see if it works now. What is your name? I'm going to type in Mike. It says hello Mike, and then what is your age? I'm going to type in 13. This doesn't do anything yet because we haven't put an if statement after line 10, so it shouldn't do anything yet. Up next, we will show you an else statement. So if they type in anything besides Mike, what we're going to do is have this else statement, make sure it's tabbed all the way to the left on line 9. You still need a colon after that. There is no condition that needs to come after else. It's just going to happen if none of the if statements are met. None of the conditions are met in the if statement. So else, we are going to print hello, this is Mike's computer. All right, so let's check it out. So if we typed in anything besides Mike, let's say we typed in Greg, it says, hello, this is Mike's computer. So, okay, we know that this if statement works and this else statement works. Let's try it with an age. So on line 11 and then line 12, we asked age equals input, what is your age? Let's say if the age is greater than, which is the same greater sign than you see in math class. If age is greater than 30, make sure you have a colon. So we're checking to see if the age is greater than 30. We'll say print out you are old enough to use this computer. However, we can use an else statement. Think about what kind of ages that would happen for this else statement. If you said anything 30 or below, you'd be correct. So maybe I say print out you are too young for this computer. All right, let's see if that works. So what is your name? We say Logan. It says, hello, this is Mike's computer. And then what is your age? We type in 40. Let's see, do you think the first if statement will go off, or do you think the else statement will go off? If you think the if statement would go off, that is correct. You are old enough to use this computer. All right, if you have any questions, let me know. Have a great day, and I'll see you later.